In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn group. If you want to build a professional community around a topic, industry, or shared interest, creating a LinkedIn group is a great way to do it. It gives members a place to connect, share ideas, and stay engaged with relevant discussions. The good news is that the setup process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the home page. You can do that by clicking Home at the top of the screen. This will take you to your main LinkedIn dashboard where you can access the different sections of the platform. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand pane and click on Groups. This section is where LinkedIn keeps all of the groups you're already part of, and it's also where you can start creating your own. When the Groups page opens, you'll see your current group list. On the top right, click Create Group. This is the button that begins the setup process for a brand new LinkedIn group. Now you'll be taken to the group creation form. Here you'll need to enter all the key details for your group. Start with the group name and make it clear and relevant to the audience you want to attract. Then add a description that explains the purpose of the group and what members can expect from joining. You'll also be asked to choose the industry and location, which helps define your group and make it easier for the right people to find it. Next, fill in the rules and permissions. This part is important because it sets expectations for how members should interact and what kind of content is allowed. Take a moment to make these settings match the kind of community you want to create. You can also upload a group image and complete any other details LinkedIn asks for. A professional image and complete profile can make your group look more trustworthy and inviting. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Create. And that's it. Your LinkedIn group is now live. After creating it, you can begin inviting relevant members and shaping the community through useful posts and clear guidelines. But as far as the setup goes, that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.